Hi guys, welcome to Mixed Clips and Trips. Thank you for watching. So for those of you that watch my content regular, you'll know that every now and again I get a gadget. I've been messing around with action cameras for months now and I've never been happy with them. So I'm going to open this box and let's see if I'm happy with it and let's see if I'm going to send it back or not. Stay tuned, run BT. So this box came today, so as you can see, unopened, okay. Yeah, I've been toying with action cameras. They've almost been okay, but I've not been happy with them. So I've seen this other action camera, it's the Insta360 G3, I think it is. I forgot what it is. Once you open the box, you'll find out. And the reason why I like this camera is because you can take it off and plug it to your t-shirt. It's like a little body cam. It's got a little flick up screen, and from what I've seen on the other reviews, the video footage is not too bad. Because the last action camera I got, I wasn't happy with the audio or the video footage. So we'll see if this one's any better. So I'll open the box up and let's see what's inside. It's like Christmas all over again. Right guys, let's open this box up. I better say I don't wreck it too much, it's might be everybody sending it back. Okay, so once again we have got the camera. And here it is. It is the Insta360 GO 3S. So let's get it out of its wrapping. Come on, get your nail on it. I'll pause it till I get a nail in it. Okay, so I've got a nail there, like zip. There we go. Right then. So that should just lift off. Right, what have we got in here then? So this is just like wiring, charger and whatnot. So yeah, that's your charger lead. You know what a charger lead looks like, so I won't take it out of the bag. So I want to make sure everything's okay before I rip it all a bit. So yeah, that's your charger lead. Okay. Nothing else in that side. Close it back up so it looks all nice and neat. And then in this side you have got all the boring stuff. Paperwork. Where would you put that sticker? Where would you put that sticker? Paperwork, paperwork. I'll read all that later, when I can be bothered. But what I normally do, I just blag it. I just do what I can with it, and then when I can't get it working, that's when I read instructions. Yeah, I don't think there's anything else in there. Yeah, that's empty. Right, so that's in that box then. Then we've got the camera itself. Okay, so I'll just take it out of there. Oh, it feels nice. Then underneath here, there should be some other little accessories, as you can see here. So this is the pendant. So you can put it around your, yeah, so you can put it around your neck, and then this sticks to that. Oh, it's this bit underneath, isn't it? Yeah, you pull that out and that sticks on there. So yeah, so that sticks on there, you put that around your neck. That pulls off, as you can see. And then you've got your magnetic thing under there. So that's what that is. Does it wind back up? Does it wind back up? Once you pull it all out? I don't know. But that's your pendant. The camera itself, and as you know, it pulls out. And that's what you stick onto your body cam. And this is the home, this is the base. You know, this is what's got all the power in it. But you can get so much running time from the actual camera. But then if you plug it back in there, you get more time. Until I read the book, I'm not sure how many minutes it is. But if you guys, you've probably watched many more of these videos before, so you'll know exactly how many minutes you get. Probably more than me. What have we got here? Little attachment thing. It's weird, I don't know what that is. That screws onto some, is that a sticky pad? Yeah. So you've got a couple of sticky pads here for sticking it on who knows what. And then here, this is the charger. This is for the selfie stick. Yeah, this is for the selfie stick. You can unscrew this, I think. Ah, yeah. So that goes onto your thingy. And then this goes onto, like so, onto the selfie stick. And what I've seen some people do is, they take this out, you know, when they don't want any, when they want a thing, and they just go straight onto there instead. So, like that. Straight onto there. Then it looks even smaller then, doesn't it? Okay. Right. So, that's what's in the box, guys. So what I'll do now is I'll turn it on and see what we've got on the screen and whatnot. As you know from other videos, this screen flicks up. So that's when you're doing your selfie shots. So when you're doing your selfie shots, you like that. And then just when you're videoing other way, video like that, and then you can see it screen. Yeah, good. Right, okay, I'll pause it and I'll turn it on. I'll clean all this stuff up and let's have a look what we've got on menu then. So, we've got the power button there. Power button. So it's actually record button, stop and start. I'll take a picture and whatnot. And then, I don't know what that is yet. So yeah, okay, right, we'll turn it on. Let's turn it on. Right, I'll pull this tab off. I won't throw them away, in case I need to send it back. So it's doing what it needs to do, I'm assuming. Come on. Now I want a quick startup. When I'm doing my videoing, I want a quick startup. I'm assuming this is just because it's booting up for the first time. This is, yeah, no, it's very exciting. I'll pause my video until it turns itself on. But I don't know what she's doing at the moment. Okay, so I turned it on. And it came up with loads of settings, which I'll show you in a minute. Like I say, I am just literally blagging this. So yeah, it's the first time I've seen it. So as you can see, it's going through all the settings. I'm going to keep it on 16.9. Timer, I don't need the timer on. Okay, slide down the device. This is your initial setting up, so it's showing you what to do. Because like I say, I just got out of the box. So you got all these settings here. Your indicator light, brightness high, medium. So that's the light in the top corner, as you can see. Or you can get it on low. So if you want to save your battery, you know, if you want to save your battery, put it on low. I'll stick it on medium for the time being. And I have seen loads of other videos with this. But yeah, I'm still going to have to play around with it. And I'll probably have to go on YouTube myself. You got your timers, language thingy there. No file on album, that's because there's no SIM card in. So there's no SIM card in at the moment. Oh, did I get a SIM card? Is there one in it? There should be. This is 125 already pre-installed into it. So yeah. But yeah. So I will have to go through all this and just get used to it. Just ain't got a clue what's happening on it. Okay, so that's initial taking out of the box and just showing you what's what. And as you can see, the screen flips up like so. So then when you are doing your selfies, that's the way you'll see it. Yeah. So I'm going to go to camera mode, if I can remember how to do it. Okay, got it. No, so I can't remember how to do it now. Come on. Oh, gee. I'm going to have to read book. I'm going to have to read book. Ah, there we go. There we go. Right, video mode. So I want video. I'll very rarely. So you got this here. You got loads of stuff on there. Loop recording. Yeah, so that's got a video then. Okay, so once again, like when you are doing your selfies, so when you're videoing normally, you'd have it like that on your stick if you wanted it. But then if you went to do a bit of a selfie shot, oh come on, what are you doing here? Oh, is it going back? There we go. Look. So as you can see there now, look, you've got your selfie. You can see what you're seeing in your screen, and this is me behind camera. Hello. Yeah. So it doesn't look too bad, does it? If you take this off, then as you can see, oops, sorry. So this is, yeah, so it's like a remote. So even though that's there, and if I move this around, how you doing, cowboys? Yeah. So it is pretty, yeah, it makes sense, doesn't it? It does make sense. I'm back in its holder. So it could be promising, this. It could be promising. So what I'll do is I'm going to have a little play around with it and I'll see what I think. Because there's loads of little tabs on here to press and I basically haven't got a clue what I'm doing. So yeah, I'll get back to you guys. Okay, so I'm just recording on my Insta360. And a good thing with this, if it's connected Wi-Fi to your phone, as soon as I stop recording, this recording will go straight to my mobile phone. So I can choose to save it or delete it, which is pretty good. So I'm walking away from the window. And then I'm going to just come into the dark. Come into the dark. So it's not bad. Now I don't allow these different camera settings, as you know, different views. So obviously you can adjust it to get your best shots. It might be a bit fishbowl-like, as some people call it. And we'll go outside as well. I'm going to flick my camera around and then I'll show you. So I'm flipping my screen at the same time. Ping! As you can see, lovely blue sky. You can see the quality of the cloud as well. River down there. So until I actually see it on a big screen, it looks okay. The colours and everything. And I'm looking through like a bit of a, not the cleanest of windows. But it don't look too bad. Okay, so I'm back to my mobile phone now. So yeah, I've been having a bit of mess around with this. It doesn't seem too bad. Another thing that I do like with this camera is on some cameras, you know, when you want to record in a rush and you turn the camera on, it boots up and then you got to press record. But with this one, once you press the on button, no, the red button at the top, the record button, even though it's in off now, press the record button, it turns on, and then it's straight away recording. So as you can see, the red light flashing now, that's recording now. So that's one good bonus, so I like that. And then press it off to turn it off again. And as you can see, that little thing that's come up on before, oh, you can't see it, can you, because I'm not recording now. Anyway, yeah, so it's good. So I might be keeping this one. It's only early days, isn't it? Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Press the like and subscribe button. If you want to join 99p, press the join button on my channel. And you get a shout out on every video. Cheers.